QWeb hosting honest review. Watch before using. Most people get web hosting wrong. They assume all providers are the same, offering similar speed and reliability. The surprising truth about a QWeb hosting is that it combines performance, support, and flexibility for businesses and developers, and you won't believe how much control it gives you over your websites. Here's how it works. QWeb provides shared, EPS, cloud, and dedicated hosting with support for multiple technologies like PHP, MySQL, and WordPress. Users get cPanel access, daily backups, and SSL certificates for security. For example, a small business running an online store can rely on a QWeb for uptime, fast loading, and scalable resources as traffic grows. Most people get this wrong. They assume inexpensive hosting is low quality, but a QWeb maintains high reliability even on budget plans. Additional features include free migrations, multiple data centers, 24/7 support, and easy scalability. Users praise performance, responsive customer service, and flexibility to choose server locations. However, there are considerations. Advanced setups may require technical knowledge, and pricing can increase with premium features. Most people assume hosting is set and forget monitoring, and updates are still important. In conclusion, QWeb hosting is ideal for businesses and developers seeking reliable, flexible, and high-performing hosting solutions with excellent support and scalability. Subscribe for more honest reviews of hosting and tech services.